I am the practical mentor who gives you practical life hacks. In the previous video, we learned the correct pronunciation of words ending in S as final S and Z. This time, we will learn how to pronounce words ending in ES as final Z. What is the sound of ES in the following words? Watches, boxes, brushes, stresses. The sound of ES in these words is Z. Please observe the consonant sounds before the ES. If the word ends in CH as in ch, X as in x, SH as in sh, or SS as in s, the sound of ES is Z. Let's try the word watches. The sound of ES in the word watches is Z. Watches. Examples: the wristwatches I bought are all classy and affordable. She watches her favorite cartoon every day. The boy watches his favorite cartoon every day. How about the word boxes? The sound of ES in the word boxes is Z. Examples: when she opened the 3 boxes, she was delighted. The man shouts as he boxes the sandbag. Let's take the word brushes. The sound of ES in the word brushes is Z. Examples: the sales lady got all the hairbrushes and showed them to the girl. She brushes her long hair after she dried it. In the word stresses, the sound of ES is stresses. Examples: the stresses of the groups of words are on the first syllable. The politician stresses his point on how to help the overseas contract workers. Try to pronounce these words correctly. Glasses, beaches, smashes, mixes, buzzes, catches, matches, glasses, eyelashes. If you consider this helpful, please like, subscribe, and share this tutorial video.